by not allowing our voices to be silenced, by ensuring that we speak up and speak out, we are staking a claim to a piece of the conversation. We are contributing to the great tapestry that is storytelling on this planet at this particular time in our history.
Inspiring words from LeVar Burton, taken from his masterclass titled The Power of Storytelling. If you're like me, LeVar is the first person you thought of when you think of a classic storyteller. I just finished the full masterclass over the weekend, and I must say I enjoyed every minute of it. The 2.5-hour class is short enough to take over a weekend, and in great LeVar fashion is entertaining as well as informative. I think one of the most fascinating things that LeVar shares during the course is just how highly he regards the title. Even after such a lengthy career and decades of work, he admits that he's only been recently willing to call himself a storyteller. In his own words, he says, "It hasn't been that long that I've been willing to claim the title. There are so many different ways of storytelling. I tell as an actor, a director, a writer, a producer, a podcaster, and a public speaker. I have developed all of these modalities of storytelling in part out of necessity, because I couldn't do just one thing to make my living." Through these roles that he's developed his authentic voice. And this is where I think I uncovered my biggest takeaway from this class, which is that great storytelling comes only after developing your authentic selves. All of them, no matter how many there are. Because it's only through that experience, through that practice of speaking your authentic voices, do you create the identity that LeVar teaches and that we all seek as individuals. If you've taken the class, what did you think? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Is there something you wish you would have covered but didn't? For now, I'd like to leave you with one of my favorite quotes from the class to help inspire you to take that next step on your journey.
This experiment that we are currently engaged in was designed, I believe, to include all of us, that we would not get the full value of being human unless and until we were able to value everyone's contribution. And we haven't gotten there yet. There have been flashes. And so representation has to be at the forefront of our experience of storytelling and communicating, because we aren't meant to leave anybody out of the conversation.